Most of the clients ask me about sun exposure after hair transplant surgery. Usually, prolonged exposures under the sun might be difficult because it might cause dehydration of the transplanted graft. So, longer sun exposures, like you're working outdoors for longer periods of time in the initial days of transplant, or you're visiting a beach where there is no shade coverage. So, in such areas, there might be a prolonged exposure under the sun. So, I would definitely recommend not to go for such activities immediately after the hair transplant. At least a couple of weeks should be good enough for you to wait. But if you are coming out of the car, going inside your home, and the 2-minute exposure of sun is not going to be a trouble. If you are planning to get exposed for a longer duration and you don't have an option, definitely try to use a hat or a head cover, which would help you limit the exposure of the sun. Thank you.